All right, so the mantle is in place. Looking pretty good. I got to cut some plugs back.
Fantastic, God. Oops.
That's happy client in the background. So that's the mantle that I just put in, and you'll see here, this is the mantle that we copied. So you can clearly see, you guys have seen this in the other videos before, but all the details are exactly mirrored.
Actually,
right
Mike,
here.
your details are greater than those details.
Well, yeah, I'm going to do better than the old guys. I mean, what do you expect? Now, I'll come back when this is all stained. You guys will see it'll be bitching. But I just want to show you this here. These, flanking this large window. Same thing, same details. I can't make it out very well in here. It's a little dark. But once this is all, let's give you guys an overview of this here. So again, that mantle was pulled out of another house, and we realized it was large enough to put a TV in there. So this became an entertainment console. I made the lower box and the shelf.
Actually, sir, you created the whole console. It's all yours.
Yeah. So I made all that happen, and it, pretty much looks like it could have been in the home when it was built. And now they've got this. So the client is a master at finishing work, and he's going to make all that work. And he might put some Bauchilder tiles in here, although I got to tell you, personally, I don't mind this brick at all.
And why is that, Mike?
Well, I think it looks period correct, The Bauchilder tiles will be nice too, though.
Piece you created.
Yeah, it'll be.
The red brick? Come on.
No, it'll be better if you put the tile in. There's no doubt about it.
Well, I'll print out some printer on there.
All right, that's it. A little short video for you guys. I hope you guys dug it. Stay tuned for a video upcoming. It'll be weeks from now. I'll come back in when this is all done and painted and dressed. There's artwork hanging up above me here, and you'll dig it.